Hi and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to solve another Leet code problem, and the Leet code problem is this one which you're seeing here. I have read the question just 5 minutes ago, so I'm a bit more prepared to solve this question for you, but let's see what it is asking from us. It's the Leet code problem number 26 of the top interview 150 questions, which is called remove duplicates from sorted array. And let's read the question together. Given an integer array nums sorted in non-decreasing order, which means that it's increasing, remove the duplicates in place such that each unique element appears only once. The relative order of the elements should be kept the same. Consider the number of unique elements in nums to be k. After removing duplicates, return the number of unique elements k. The first k elements of nums should contain the unique number in sorted order. The remaining elements beyond index k minus 1 can be ignored. So let's see some examples, and this is the code that will test my answer, and these are the examples. So let's say that we have the nums 1, 1, 2, and it expects us to return 2 as the answer and sort the list or change the list in place in this way. So we have 1 as a unique element and 2 as another unique element. So 2 should be replaced, 1 should be replaced by 2 in this index, which is index 1. Remember that indexes in lists starts from 0. So the explanation is exactly what I said. Your function should return k equal to, which is the number of the unique elements, with the first two elements of nums being 1 and 2 respectively. It doesn't matter what you leave beyond the returned k, hence they are underscores. And example 2 is 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. And as you can see, we have 5 unique values and the nums contains only these values. So for solving this, I have some ideas, and first of all I have selected Java as the answer, probably because the previous video was I used Kotlin, but in this video I'm going to use Java. Maybe the next one will be Python, I don't know, or TypeScript. We will see, but I have selected Java, which is something that I like, my favorite language. And for solving this, let's say that we have this list here, and as you can see, we can just perform a for loop and see that if the first element is not like this, number of the unique is 0 at first. Then we perform a for loop. We are here. We read the first value. What is it? It's 0. So the number of unique values becomes 1. Then we will move to the next value. And remember that we have the current value or the last unique value, which is 0. So in here we will reach 0, and it is the same value as last unique value, so we don't change anything. Then we will reach to 1, which is different from 0, so this will become 1, and here this should be moved to this index, which is this. Okay, so we will move this, which is very easy, and this becomes 2, because now we have 2 unique values, and we will go to the end of the list. So for executing this code, I think we need to have 2 pointers, which I will create just now. We will have int last unique value, which is 0, and int unique, or k, as the question suggests, which is 0. Then we will perform a for loop. Int I equals 0, I less than nums dot size, and I plus plus, which is fine. And now let's make it a bit bigger. Now what we can do is to perform this logic that I just told you. So if the, let's do it in a clean way, int nums I, we need to put semicolons also here, if num is equal to last unique value, we don't do anything. So if it is not equal, we will do the replacement. Let's make it like last unique value will be equal to num, and then we will do the replacement, which is nums I is equal to no, not nums I, nums unique is equal to nums I, and then we will say unique is plus equal to 1, which will increase it by 1. And at the end, I think we can return unique. I'm not sure if this code works, but let's see. We solved it very fast. Now there's something wrong in here. I think for arrays we don't have this size, we have length. Let's see. Wrong answer. So this works, but this doesn't work. Expected 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what does it do? Because our code doesn't return 0 at first. So yeah, the nums are like this. First we have 0, so it's not a problem, I guess. Then we have, okay, so we are not considering 0. Yeah, we are not considering 0. It's because we are not considering 0, and when the first number is 0, we don't know that it should be also counted. So when we reach 1 for the first time, we will do the logic in here. I think if we put the last unique value as -1, it will solve the problem. I don't know, but the bounds from, yeah, it's an int, so it will be fine. Yeah, we don't have the, no, unfortunately we have also negative values, and for solving this issue, what can we do? We can put the first element and just not considering it. Yeah, we can do this nums the first element, because I think it won't be empty. Let's see. and then we have unique equal to 1. Let's see. Yeah, it is correct here. Yeah, it works, and it is working very good, as you can see. But this code, I think if the array is empty, it won't work. Or it works. Actually, no, it won't work because here is out of bound. But anyway, this is not considered in the question, so we are fine. As you can see, the length, yeah, it's not empty. It is never empty. So we are just fine. And if it was empty, we would have put something like this: nums length, and in this case we would just return 0 and we would be fine. But since we don't have it, we don't need this code, and we are just fine. And the solution we provided is not bad. It's quite fast, faster than 70% of the other solutions. It took 1 millisecond to run, and I think I'm satisfied personally. So we can, I think, close this video. It was very fast and I'm very happy. And I'm recording this at 5 a.m. in the morning. That's the reason I'm speaking not loudly, and I'm trying to don't make everybody angry in this house that I'm living. But anyway, that was it. And let me know if you want me to do something else during my lead code problem solving, and I would be very happy to know your opinion about my videos. Thank you very much for your attention and your time, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.